So here's all what I've finished in the last video. So cutting both the sides and cutting all these sides. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'll weld these two layers and put a seam sealer on so it's watertight, and there will be no these big gaps. So I'll weld the plate here. Hi guys, welcome back to SUBARU Racing. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video. So today I'm gonna start removing the airbag wiring, the sensors and the modules. So let's begin. So I just removed the main airbag module, and now I'm gonna remove all the wiring. I'm probably gonna get rid of this tape and get rid of the wiring because I'm thinking about keeping the heated seats. There's a airbag sensor here, crash sensor, and there's a torque set that goes here with a hole in it. So I'm just gonna use a vice grip, see where it goes. Alright guys, to start the removal of airbag wiring, the first thing you gotta remove is this airbag module. So it's located in the center console. So after removing this, just follow these wires, and these wires go to this side, goes to the driver's side, and this side goes to the passenger side. And this wire, this connector goes to the driver's seat, and this one goes to passenger seat. And there are two clips here, and these are located in the pillar. So this is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. So what these clips and the wires go to is there's a crash sensor here on the both sides. So there are two clips that go there, and what I would suggest doing is start splicing the tape, the electric tape, and just remove the yellow wire on the whole car. Wherever you see a yellow wire like this, that means it's a airbag wiring. Alright guys, so when you're removing the airbag wiring, so there's this crash sensor in the pillar. So to remove this, you basically have to move this plug down. It's pretty simple, and remove this plug down, and it's simple. You just gotta move this. It's pretty simple to remove these, and they're on the both sides. Before I end this video, I just want to add one more thing. I know a lot of people would be saying you don't need to remove your airbag wiring, just unplug the airbags and you're good for the day. My motive right now is to free up as much space as I can. So what I'm trying to do is getting rid of all the wires I can right now, and I'm removing all the features I'm not gonna be using. So the main focus for me right now is making up space. Also, one more thing I want to say is I will be doing a custom interior, so full custom dash and the full custom center console. So the lesser wires I have will be better at the end for me, because the plan I have right now in my mind is you wouldn't be able to see any wires anywhere on the car, and that's the image I have in my mind, and that's why I'm trying to eliminate all the wires which I don't have to use. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the whole build, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and leave some suggestions if you have in your mind. Thank you.